Hi, today in front of me Xperia 10V and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, you should tap once on the switcher. Click to more, I agree. Next. Not now, or start saving audio, and now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, tap to voice model and click retain voice model. So now say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to next, and after that, when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, you will see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.